Hey guys, how's it going? My name is George, and I'm here to teach you how to upload a YouTube video. If you're a dummy like me and you're not sure how to do this, believe me, I've been there. I'd figure it out and what different features do, so I'm going to explain them. This is not some kind of professional tutorial. This is literally the most basic of things. So basically, on your first video, you're going to have an option here, right, that says upload video. You can click that. If it's not your first video, you can go here, upload video, and we'll take you to this screen. Drag, select files, pick something from your computer. Okay, so I just picked a random video. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is one of my gaming videos. All right, so basically, once you do this, as you see here, the bar is loading. So what it does is it loads the video and then it starts processing it. First, it will process on SD, and once that's done, it will go to HD. That takes a few seconds to process for HD. So you want to wait for all this to be done. Okay, you don't want to rush anything. Uh, Keep in mind this will take some time, depending on how long your video is. So just be patient. But we can go ahead and start working on things while this is loading. So first you need a title, right? Title is very important. This is what people will see first, your title of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and name this how to make a YouTube video. All right. Now, once the title is done, you will need a description. You got to describe what your video is about, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and say, this video is the coolest of videos, blah, blah. I mean, obviously you need to work a bit more on your description. Um, and make sure you use keywords in the description. So words that will make people find your video. It says it here too. Writing description with keywords can help viewers find your video more easily through search. So once you're done with that, you need a thumbnail. So thumbnail is basically the picture people will see first on the video before they click it, right? So every video has a thumbnail. It's what you see before you click the video. So make sure you can either pick one of the three here that will generate from random parts of your video, or you can upload a thumbnail. It's better if you upload your own, like a cool one so people can see the video and want to click it. I don't really mess with playlist audience. Okay, this is important. This is a required section. So basically, you need to put yes or no here, regardless of what video you make. So if a video is made for kids, so if there's like no cursing, no violence, nothing crazy like that, and if it's educational, kids can learn from it, then you can put yes, it's made for kids. You should probably read more about what's allowed because I'm not exactly sure. I'm just generalizing. But I know that if your video has a lot of, swearing, a lot of gore, just things that aren't for kids, you need to put no, it's not made for kids 100%, or if it's not educational for kids. And this here, now age restriction. This is also a yes or no. Now, this you should definitely look into to find out exactly what's allowed. This video that I'm putting right now obviously will not be age restricted because, there's no like violence, there's no craziness. This is basically for people, as it says, you restrict my video to viewers over 18 or, under 18. So if there's like sexual content, things like that, you will have to restrict it. If you don't, then I believe YouTube, if they see it, they can actually restrict it themselves, and it will be permanently restricted. But keep in mind also that if your video is restricted, or if you restrict your video, it can't be monetized. So there can't be any ads on the video. So depending on what your content is, just be aware of that. And then we move on to paid promotions, tags, subtitles, whatever. So let's click here. Paid promotions. I mean, I don't really have anything, any promotions or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and ignore this. But for tags, you can use this so you can help viewers find your video. Basically, I mean, it says it right here too. So you want to do things like how to new YouTube video. I'm the coolest. The usual. And you have up to 500 letters, I think. So you can fill this up. It will help your video. The more you put, the better. Language and subtitles. I mean, you can add this if you want. Select your language. It's not important. It's optional. Recording date and all that. That's optional too. If you want, you can put it when this video was recorded. License and distribution. I just use standard YouTube license. I don't even know what the other one does, but if you want to look into that, go ahead. People and blogs. Oh yeah, then you can choose your category. That's also optional, but I mean it's helpful if you do. So this would be how to and style. So you can choose your category. Comments and ratings. Okay. If you want, you can allow all comments, so people can say anything. If not, you can hold inappropriate comments for review. You can hold all comments for review or disable comments. It's up to you. You can sort your video by top or newest. That's also up to you. And show how many viewers like and dislike the video. I mean, most people have this check. If you don't want it, you can uncheck it. All right. And this is almost done processing, so we're going to give it a bit. All right, there we go. Now that's done, and now it's processing HD. This isn't that long. It's a lot shorter than SD. All right, so now we can go to video elements. And we have two things here: add and end screen, add cards. So if you want to help promote your other videos on your channel or any other video, you can just put add and choose like what kind of thing you like. Let's go with this one, and basically here you can just add. You click playlist. I don't have anything right now, but if you have other videos, it will let you put them here. So then when your video is about to end, right? Sorry, if your video is about to end, it will just post the videos that you chose, and people, after they see your video, they can choose like, you know, another one of your videos. So this helps promote your other videos. Discard changes because I have nothing. All right, let's go with cards. So cards are basically the same kind of concept. As your video plays, it will have a little thing here that people can click, and when they do, it will pop up the cards over here on the side. So you can add a card, video or playlist, so create, and then here I have nothing, but usually it would show all your videos, and you can choose whichever video you want. You can do up to 5 cards, and that's also basically to help your video promote your other videos. All right, and once you're done with that, we go to visibility. So here you can choose what you want your video to be. For the majority of people, they go with public, so everyone can see your YouTube videos. If you want private, because you're a sneaky person, you want to go with only you and people you choose can watch the video. Unlisted, I don't even know what this does, but you know, like I said, this isn't advanced. This is basic stuff. Schedule, this is if you don't want to publish it right now, you can schedule a time later. And that's about it. Then you just press publish once HD finishes processing, and there you go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, a like, and yeah, have a great day.